Oh, it looks better when you record. Ooh.
You must not be used to this.
Who?
Yeah.
The bird, right? After this one, girl, this might be lasting for 2 weeks because it's bigger than him.
What? He ate it all already?
No, no, he didn't.
He eating pieces at a time?
Oh, look, see.
Okay.
I can still see the body a little bit. The body right there.
Swallow that whole bird whole.
Yeah, yes, he is.
He's
He's already swallowing it. Birds don't, chew their food up. Snakes don't chew their food, they swallow it whole.
And they let it break down
I
their
just
body.
looked it up. They eat mammals and
He
everything.
eating it, I don't know. He chewing it, I don't know for some reason.
He
ain't got no teeth.
He chewing it like a. He chewing it with his veins.
No, like, he's taking his time.
But he's getting there. He's eating it. He's started by the head first, I think. Now that we took a video of it, we're gonna show you the video.
He swallowed it.
It has his head. His head is all in his mouth already. It's just like it's going like this, like it's trying to chew it. No, like it's trying to chew it.
He's not, but he swallowed.
Yeah, you right. He's swallowing it. So I was right.
Yeah, and I ain't swallowing it. See him?
It'll digest his stomach, all that acid.
Uncle, did he squeeze it?
Did he wrap around it and squeeze it first? Right?
Yeah, shut up.
Python.
My nigga, that don't mean...
Well, you don't know that. You should just tell me.
You're a python. Look like you having a hard time getting it, though.
Ooh. But he getting there.
Look like you having a hard time,
Eating it.
opening his mouth. He got the head in his mouth. You know what I'm saying? He's like right here.
It's probably his wings. His body was not that big. I seen his body was about this big, Uncle.
His body was a little big, you know what I'm saying? But he wasn't big at all. Motherfucker should be there. What is going on?
Why do you feel me?
Like that.
Yeah, so you should be able to get it. Can you see it?
What is it? Oh, I found a perfect spot, Uncle. I found a perfect spot where I can see it at. Right there, look. Now we can see it better. You can see it like right in the center where it is right there. I don't know if the bird is still alive or dead now. Probably dead.
Look, boy, stay your black ass aside. Get outside so you can be so fucking low.
Now you see it?
Boy, you're gonna be passport if you don't get your ass in that house. Yeah, I'm a boarding all right. Oh, you got something to say that. He's dabble 10, whatever the fuck they do. He tells his dry ass lies too.
Oh, snap. He's swallowing it, Uncle.
Swallowing it?
He's swallowing it. You see, the body was up like that. Hey, Creasy.
I said, do you want these cereals? I'm allergic to them. I ain't allergic to a goddamn thing.
This is crazy.
Because she used to get them like that. He wants something real sweet so he can swim around like he's going crazy. I already fucking hyper as it is. Yeah.
Oh. Holy snap. Oh.
Don't supposed to start him while you're trying to eat.
They don't have no bones, right? Yes, ma'am?
Well, it's dirty.
What?
She got to run down the pump. Okay.
Every day you just hustling.
Here, I have this so far.
It's too big.
He getting it though.
It's too big. You can't.
You can't get it. It might be. It's going to take a while for him just to get the rest of it in his mouth, though. That's all. Now it's right here. Now I'm just gonna put it back where it was then.
I get my bill out the freezer.
Did you see how his jaws open big? We have that whole video of it, like when it picks it up and we can see his mouth like getting in there. He almost got you right.
Get the leg is going in more, right?
It is, yeah. Yeah, he get it. Ooh.
It was still in the freezer, right?
Yeah, it was something. Look, Uncle, look, Uncle. Uncle, look. That's a better. He's at the legs now. He's at the legs. You see, he slowly died. You can see it's right there in the middle, right? He's gonna have a hard time swallowing. I know that.
Oh, he's gonna be full for a long time.
Cause that was a pretty big bird though.
I thought he couldn't get it.
Me too. Well, no, I didn't. I knew he could get it. I told y'all. Which way did y'all put it in from? I put it into the top. And then that's when it started. That's when it started. I think it bit it.
Look at him. I told you he's hungry, nigga.
He. So like probably next week.
Yeah, what's that? Look at that.
He at the legs. You want to see the video? You want to see the video? He at the legs right now.
Get the legs?
Yeah. No, yeah.
Done. He's not done.
He at the tail.
This is a bad motherfucker.
He at,
Right.
he at the tail in between the legs. Look. See, Uncle, now he just finished you. Look.
Good boy.
He said,
Right.
yeah. We should post this.
No,
Man, I should have recorded it. That bird already dead. That's inside his
But you
stomach.
gotta feed them alive though. And that's what we did. Right? He was still alive, right?
Mm-hmm. But
Yeah,
the,
because they won't eat it.
but the dog was finna kill it.
Come on, you can't get it.
Why you call for eating that bird?
He done about done already.
No, nigga, but you take all the items you got right.
What?
You know what I'm saying? Wash it all the way.
Till he's done to the head to toe. Let's catch that pigeon. Oh, you can see it in his, like you can see it right there in his throat.
And we'll see if he'll stay to digest it and live, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
He should. 'Cause he shouldn't have swallowed it if he couldn't, you know what I'm saying? It's all the way to his mouth.
No, you still see the toe right there. About two of them. Look, there go the toe. You finna finish that toe right there. Ooh. Yeah, bro, hey, our girl. Ooh, hold on. I gotta get that break. My back is hurting. Stay on. Look, it's right there. It's right there in the center of his throat. It's gonna get bottom all the way down there. See if he's done with the toe or not. Hold on. Look, Uncle Girl, he still has that toe right there. There's like 3 more toes that he has to get finished. Yeah, one more toe. Look. You see that toe right there sticking out his mouth right there? I think that's the last one. Look, he finished it. He finished it. Look. He finished it, Uncle. Look. Ain't no more toe in there. This snake.